Hi, I am Nancy Maliente from Puerto Vallarta, La Costa. Let's go and see some properties. And this is MDY. We have 55 units, and I am here with Hannah Lopez.
I'd like to tell you guys about some of the amazing amenities MDY has to offer, starting with our fully equipped fitness center, a snack bar, 3 saltwater swimming pools, 2 of which are heated. We have an airport shuttle, a shuttle to the Malecon, and a Sea Ray boat that is with the use of the owners of MDY. Our price ranges start at $433,000 and go up to $800,000.
We have payment plans available. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Vonda Rainbow.
And I'm Gary Rainbow from Coldwell Banker La Costa in beautiful Puerto Vallarta.
Let's go see our new property. Hola, welcome to Casa David.
This is a multi-family home or potential boutique hotel. We have 3 levels. The first level has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the second and third levels have studio apartments, 4 in total, with an amazing price of $1,350,000.
Only 3 blocks from the famous Los Muertos Beach. Please come inside.
Hola, it's Cristina Vautier with Coldwell Banker La Costa. I'm here to talk to you about this beautiful property, Casa Luisa. Features 4 spacious bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, 3 half bathrooms, a private terrace, a private pool, 16 solar panels, and a lot of beautiful features. This price, $650,000, worth all of it. Come on in.